Welcome back, guys. Today we are replacing a diverter cartridge inside a glowworm ultracom. Now please make sure you're suitably qualified to do this. This is solely for educational purposes. So first things first, we're going to isolate the boiler underneath and then isolate the flow and return and the cold inlet to the boiler. Then we're going to locate the drain off, which in this instance is in the bottom right of the boiler. Open it up over a jug and leave it open. There's a reason for this. Next, we're going to take off the electrical connections and slowly unscrew the securing nuts top and bottom. Now, sometimes these come out very easily, sometimes they come out difficult. And I've left the volume on, so you're going to have to excuse the heavy breathing, because if you slowly prise the back of it like this, you can hear it drain into the bucket. Now, do this very gently, because sometimes these do just shoot out, and you don't want water going everywhere. So I'm sure you can just hear it drain into the bucket now. Remove the cartridge itself very slowly. As you can see, it's filthy, absolutely disgusting. But that's what's causing the issues. Next, we're going to clean it out. Now, I do this, some people don't, but I make sure it's nice and clean inside before I put the new one in. Now, there are two washers that come with this. Two different sizes. Make sure you lube them both up and make sure you get them the right way round. The large one goes to the bottom of the cartridge, the thin one goes to the top. As you can see, there's a difference. Slide them on. Oh yes, look at that. Very nice. Not this time in the morning. Make sure they're in the grooves provided and make sure they're suitably attached. Next, there is a groove on the side of the cartridge that you need to line up with the boiler. Make sure you get this the right way around or it will not go in. Shove it in, straight in there. Secure it back together with the bolts. Add the electrical connection. And of course, open up the boiler, flare returns and the cold inlet. Check for leaks, make sure there's no leaks. Turn the boiler on the supply and at the boiler. Run to the kitchen tap like a penguin. Turn it on and test. Bosh! All done.